A visit to downtown Parry Sound would not be complete without a visit to Barely Used Books. Let's see what treasures we can find today in this, which may be one of the best, probably the best used bookstore in Canada. Have you been? Look who's been here before. You might want to be a part of this amazing, popular group of people who love visiting this place. What's your favorite part to visit? Puzzles? True crime and adventure? I like to visit the basement. Nature and pets and science. This place is a treasure. A true monument to the literary mind. And those of us, the whole Canadian section, those of us who found out who we were in books and continue to find out who we are in books. Last time I was here, an entire room of cookbooks. There's something to satiate every desire in this place. I fell in love with this room because there were some Trixie Belden books around here somewhere, and I think that's where I'm going to hunt before I leave Parry Sound today for some Trixie Belden books. Or maybe I'll find the Empath Survival Guide. What will you find when you visit Barely Used Books?